In a demonstration of tactical readiness and precision strike capabilities, a U.S. Marine Corps AV-8B Harrier pilot conducted a bomb-dropping drill over the Red Sea, launching from a forward ground base. The training mission was part of a broader military exercise aimed at ensuring rapid deployment capabilities and sharpening combat effectiveness in one of the world's most strategically vital maritime regions. The Harrier took off from a temporary forward operating base in the Middle East, showcasing its ability to function from austere airfields with short runways. The mission simulated a precision strike on a maritime target, replicating real-world scenarios involving hostile surface threats along the Red Sea corridor. The bomb used was a laser-guided training munition designed to mimic the performance of the GBU-12 Paveway II, commonly used in close air support operations. High-tech floating targets were deployed in designated test zones to provide feedback on impact accuracy and dispersal patterns. Prior to bomb release, the pilot executed a series of high-speed maneuvers to simulate evasive action against potential surface-to-air threats. The Red Sea has increasingly become an area of operational focus due to geopolitical tensions and the presence of irregular maritime threats. The drill aimed to reinforce the U.S. Marine Corps' ability to launch precise, controlled airstrikes from land bases without reliance on naval platforms. The AV-8B Harrier's unique vertical short takeoff and landing (VSTOL) capability makes it an ideal choice for missions operating from ground locations close to the front line. The Harrier was equipped with a targeting pod system, providing real-time infrared imaging and laser designation to guide the bomb to its target. The pilot had to factor in variables such as wind drift, humidity, and sea motion when calculating the release point for optimal accuracy. Throughout the mission, aerial drones and ground-based observers collected data on strike precision and aircraft maneuvering. Once the training munition impacted the water near the target, support teams from the base were deployed to assess and recover target materials for post-mission analysis. Commanders at the airbase emphasized the importance of realistic training to maintain a combat-ready force that can respond immediately to emerging threats in the region. The simulation also tested the coordination between airborne units and fire controllers operating from command stations on the ground. A crucial part of the drill involved seamless radio communication, ensuring accurate and timely instructions were relayed during the strike run. The pilot's proficiency in navigating contested airspace and executing a precise bomb drop reflected extensive hours of simulation and real flight training. The mission also served to evaluate the logistics of operating Harrier jets from forward-deployed land bases with limited infrastructure. Ground crews worked tirelessly to maintain the aircraft, perform pre-flight inspections, and manage arming procedures under time-sensitive conditions. The training underscored how fixed-wing air support remains an indispensable component of modern expeditionary warfare, even without the use of carriers. The Harrier's rugged design allows it to operate from unprepared runways, highways, or expeditionary airstrips, giving the Marines unmatched flexibility in operational planning. During the simulation, the pilot received a mock target change mid-flight, testing the ability to reacquire and strike a new objective within seconds. The mission was executed under strict safety protocols to protect civilian maritime traffic and minimize environmental impact. From takeoff to strike and return, the entire flight lasted under an hour, a testament to the Harrier's agility and responsiveness in short-range combat scenarios. The exercise demonstrated the effectiveness of integrating marine air assets into broader joint task force operations across sea and land. Intelligence gathered from the simulated strike was relayed to analysts monitoring hostile maritime activity in the surrounding region. The pilot executed a low-altitude return maneuver upon bomb release to reduce radar visibility and simulate a real-world escape route from enemy detection. The Red Sea's volatile security environment continues to demand rapid response platforms like the AV-8B for precision engagement and deterrence. The Marine unit involved is part of a rotational deployment designed to maintain a constant state of alert and presence across the U.S. Central Command (CENTCOM) area of responsibility. Post-strike debriefings revealed a strike accuracy within 1 meter of the target buoy, confirming both the pilot's proficiency and the targeting system's performance. In the Ground Control Center, command staff reviewed telemetry and video feeds from the Harrier's onboard systems and supporting drones. This data is used to further refine mission planning, adjust tactics, and enhance future strike packages based on real-world feedback. Support elements from Marine Wing Support Squadron provided fuel, ordnance handling, and runway maintenance to sustain ongoing flight operations from the remote airstrip. The drill was also a test of rapid deployment and redeployment processes, vital for minimizing vulnerability in high-risk areas. Maintenance crews conducted an immediate post-flight inspection, ensuring no damage occurred to the aircraft's engine or flight control systems during the mission. The Harrier pilot, a seasoned aviator with multiple deployments, described the mission as a validation of our forward edge capabilities. The training operation also included simulated alerts for surface vessel threats, prompting dynamic mission adjustments mid-air. The Harrier's performance during these unplanned changes reinforced its role as a versatile and survivable strike platform in rapidly evolving combat environments. Additional pilot drills were conducted in the days following the initial bomb drop to test nighttime operations and low-visibility strike runs. Infrared targeting capabilities played a crucial role in enhancing situational awareness during these nighttime mission profiles. The Red Sea remains a high-interest zone for U.S. forces, given its proximity to unstable regions and vital international shipping lanes. Exercises like this are part of a continuous posture to prevent regional adversaries from threatening maritime security or coalition assets. AV-8B Harriers, while scheduled for gradual phase-out as the F-35B becomes fully operational, remain a critical part of the Marine Corps' combat aviation arsenal. The training mission emphasized the need to keep aging platforms combat-ready until their replacements are fully integrated across all theaters. Joint coordination with allied forces in the region ensures these drills have maximum interoperability benefit in potential coalition scenarios. Though based on land, the Harrier's ability to reach and strike offshore targets within minutes adds a critical layer of operational depth. The successful completion of this mission served as a message of strength and preparedness amidst ongoing instability around the Bab el-Mandeb Strait. Marine aviation planners continue to refine operational concepts that allow flexible air power projection from both land and sea-based platforms. Ultimately, this bomb-dropping drill proved that from austere desert runways to the open expanse of the Red Sea, the Marine Corps' AV-8B Harrier remains as formidable and agile as ever.